Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Salishan here, and welcome back to more RC helicopter video reviews. Today I have the XK EC145, that is K124. I don't know which number it is. This is basically EC145 actual helicopter, and this is a scaled replica of that helicopter right here by XK. So probably K124 is the number for the XK brand, and EC145 is the number for the helicopter. Now there is a real helicopter, that's a European helicopter. I believe you can easily get the Y key online. This is the exact replica of that helicopter, a very scaled model, and it is running a 4-blade main rotor head. Awesome, right? 4-blade main rotor head. This is a collective pitch helicopter. How beginner friendly it is? Well, it has a 6G mode. That means it's very stable, very docile, very easy to fly for beginners. And if you want to do some loops, rolls, I believe it will do, because it does have a 3D mode and collective pitch. So what else? It has a powerful brushless motor as well. Now I was expecting this helicopter to be big, but check this out. Let me unbox right here. This is a little small helicopter that you can fly indoors, outdoors, and you can have real nice fun with it. Let's unbox it right away. So here we go, on the grass. That's the best place. Inside the box, user manual for the XK radio and K124. By the way, you can also fly it with your Futaba radio, but you will have to set your Futaba in SFHSS mode, and you will have to set up all the pitch curves, throttle curves, and flight modes by yourself. So I'll suggest for the very first time you get this helicopter ready to fly. Now the biggest box in this box is the radio control itself. So let me just bring this one out first. There you go. This is your XK radio control. I believe I have installed the batteries inside. We don't want to make any trash here, so I'll just put it back. Let me see. Yeah, we have radio batteries inside. We have a parts kit. Okay, so you have battery charger, right? You have 4 blades, or actually more blades, 6 blades, 2 extra. Okay, a tail blade, a main gear, and some screws, some tools. Okay, and you also have this tail side finlets. Okay, I believe these are the finlets, right? So this is this, and here comes the helicopter itself. And check this out, this little helicopter, man, the details of a scale are awesome. Sweet. And it uses the batteries like these, and I have plenty of these batteries basically. So this is not the original battery. Original battery is in my pocket. So basically it came with this 700 milliamp LiPo battery, 3.7 volt, and it fits just like this. Now the battery is in, and then the magnetic shell should fit just perfect. There you go. Sweet. A scaled helicopter. So this was the unboxing. Now let me get the helicopter ready. We'll fly it. So right now in normal flight mode. Nice power here, huh? And we just have a ditch right here. We can fly it in the ditch like flying a helicopter in a canyon. Uh-oh, grass, watch out. There's an LED light in front, very nice and bright. I wish I could take a shot while it's flying. I would have loved it to have a shot while it's flying. I believe 6G should be able to set the trims. The front light is really bright and nice. Controls are nice. Very nice controls, man. Pretty responsive. Takes off a little bit higher throttles. Maybe that's because they set the pitch curves that way. I can still tweak the pitch curves. Flies absolutely beautiful. Very docile and easy to control. Basically, if you have trims set right, this is actually hands-free. You can see that. I can actually take some pictures. Nice. Okay, what will happen if I switch it to flight mode? Now it doesn't have the positive pitch power. I will try it with the freshly charged battery, maybe because I'm flying that's why. Or maybe the 4 blades are basically putting a lot of load on that tiny motor down there. I don't know if I can do a loop to loop. No, I'm not in that dual rate. Still in 6G mode. No, still in 6G mode. My flight mode is basically up, and these are the only switches, so I'm unable to disengage the 6G mode. Let me just land and see, because I want to see if we can fly this inverted. Or at least, you know, do a loop, right? Okay, find a good place to land. Good enough. Okay, that's the flight mode right here. But even when I put the gear down and these dual rates down, still I don't have that that control. Oh, okay. Now I am in there. How did it happen? Maybe because you have to land it, huh? There you go. We are flying inverted. All right. One moment. Let me change to the 6G mode. Now I am unable to switch to 6G mode. So one moment, let me just land. Good. So basically after you turn off the motor, then you switch this down, this will switch to 3G mode. During flight it's not switching, or maybe I'm feeling wrong. I'll give it one more try. One moment, let me bring another battery. Okay, I just switched the battery, and it should be in 6G mode. I'll try to switch in the flight to 3D mode. Let's see how it goes. Okay, dual rates up, it still didn't switch. Another switch down, it still didn't switch. Flight mode up, it still didn't switch. So basically you have to land to switch into 3D mode. Right, so there we are, landed. I'll put everything down. Okay, take off, idle up, and now we are in 3D mode. Awesome. Okay, let me move to front a little bit. Doesn't have much positive pitch, but flying in 3D mode, it's much more agile and definitely not for beginners. So we're gonna go up, give it full collective, negative collective, full negative collective, and check it out. We have an inverted flying EC145. Have you ever seen it? So I will give it a Little leverage to go up, slowly go up, and forward switch. Don't have much power to do that thing. But hey, flying in 6G mode, it's really nice and docile. And in 3D mode, it's really fast and agile. Check this out. So, I'm gonna land and see how fast I can fly in 6G mode, okay? Okay, done. And here we go. Alright, now we are in 6G mode. Dual rate's a little bit higher. And here we go. Yes, now you have a good speed and good control. Much more docile, not that agile. But the speed is still good. So very easy for beginners to fly. Gets up gracefully, not grassfully. Full of grasses, grassfully. It got up gracefully. Man, how beautiful this helicopter is. Very, very scale helicopter. I wish I could take a picture of this while in the air. Awesome. Flying around again. It's super fun to fly this helicopter, man. Just do scale flying. If you are a fan of scale flying, you are going to love this helicopter. Wow, fast and nice, man. Controls are superb. Behavior is nice. Just the only thing that you will feel not right with this helicopter is the positive and negative pitch. If you give it a punch, the motor bogs down. That's because they are running 4-blade, probably on the same motor that designed for 2 blades. So you can see it bogs down. It's 4 blades are putting a lot of load on that little motor down there. Man, after a long time, I'm loving flying helicopters. Just scale, no 3D, nothing. Battery is running. Battery is running out. But I'm doing that, not the helicopter. Just look at those controls. Alright, let me land, charge the batteries, and I'm gonna fly this baby more, man. This is absolutely a fun helicopter to fly.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.